So hi there, Robin here, and in today's video we're actually going to talk about the cameras I use, but specifically a new one I have over there on the table. So this is my T6i, this is my main DSLR that I film the main table shot with, and today I'm setting up for a video for Harbinger, but this over here, this is what we want to talk about. This camera right here. This is my brand new Rebel SL3. Now, why did I get this? Because it's a 4K camera. Now, very important, I do videos. I take thumbnail shots occasionally, yes, but I already have a camera for that. I have several cameras that'll do that job. And I also have other cameras like the one I'm filming on right now, which does record in 4K. But those are GoPros, and I do find them to be a little grainy when you're up close trying to do a shot indoors especially. Now the other big benefit to this guy, we'll just walk around here and take a look at it from this side, is I'm running this off the app. Now I couldn't do this on my T6i before. Now what does that mean is that this camera is on, ready to go. All I need to do is hit the record button on my phone and it's going to get this guy to record. Why? Because I'm going to mount this now and show you what kind of camera shot this has. So that's all set up there. So again, we'll take a walk around the front side, but now you're looking at the top-down view. So why do I put the 4K camera up on top there, pointing down, instead of using that as my main camera? Because at the end of the day, my videos are going to stay in a 1080p format. So what I'm really trying to do is sharpen up the image, so this way I can zoom in, get good quality image from my top-down camera, because that's going to be the image that really needs to be truly rich in detail. So that's why I'm using that for this unit here. After spending a lot of time and energy looking for a camera that was 4K, I was ready to spend $3,000–$4,000. And then I came across this one. Now, I know that some people say, well, for action shots, because it does end up cropping in on the image, and there's all kinds of stuff going on for it to actually do proper 4K, but at the same time, it does work perfectly as this top-down setup. Because I can just talk on the screen, and the actual focus mechanism will work. It will focus and continue to focus nicely on here. Now, the difference again between the SL3 focus and my T6i focus is the T6i is very jittery. It's very excited to go and think it's refocusing on everything all the time. It's just constantly moving back and forth, and it's kind of a little, jittery. If you watch some of my older videos when I first got that camera, you see the focus losing track a lot. Now, with this camera, not that way. If it is going to change focus, it does it gradually. It does it with a soft, slow motion effect to it, so you don't see that visual effect in your eyes. You're not getting that big blurry jump back and forth as it stutters. So there you go. A lot of good reasons to buy this particular camera. I mean, yes, if we talk about the other features, it's 24.1 megapixels, CMOS, it's all kinds of great stuff going on. It's got a great ISO. I'm sure as I read the manual more and more, it's going to do more things for me. Now, important, this is set up right now via Wi-Fi, so that's really important. So the view that you see here, that's why it's offset. It's actually streaming the image via Wi-Fi through my network. Even though it has Bluetooth, I can do that. And the fact that I can control the actual record from this actual unit. So I do have my record button there. I've got all my effects. Anything I need to do with the actual camera, I can do from the app. Again, really nice. And it does have a clean streaming option. So if you do want to look at this for streaming purposes, for using OBS, for anything from gaming or doing Amazon Lives, anytime you need a live image and you want to use a DSLR because it's going to give you a nicer image quality, this is definitely the way to go. There you go. So I know I actually didn't physically take the camera down and say, oh, hey, look at my camera. But this is the important part, how good it actually looks. And like I said, top down, I want that high quality image right here all the time. I want this to be my best possible picture shot, which is why I put this camera, which is worth more than the T6i, and which has 4K, and the T6i does not. There you go. I hope this video helped you out a bit in your buying decision when it comes to buying the Canon Rebel SL3. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.